Hello, Ebon Pinion here again, and today is not a review, but I am going to show you my top 10 favorite folding knives of all time and so far of what I have. That is subject to change as my birthday and Christmas is coming up. But for now, this is my top 10. So, number 1, the SOG Flash, SOG Flash is another knife that they make, but SOG Tomcat 3.0. I don't know why I was thinking the Flash. But, I used to have the Flash 1 and Flash 2. But that's my number 1 right now. Number 2 is my Benchmade Adamas. Great knife. Number 3 happens to be my Zero Tolerance 0200, the only zero tolerance I own currently. Great knife. Number 4, Benchmade Griptilian. Also a fantastic knife. Number 5 would be my my Benchmade Barrage. It's a really good one. And this is the Kershaw. My number 6 is my Kershaw Blur, navy blue blur. Really like this one. Next would be my Ontario Rat 1. Great EDC knife. After that would be my CRKT Fossil. I actually really like this knife a lot. So, and then we have my Spyderco Tenacious. Also, another fantastic knife. And last but not least, my Cold Steel Code 4. Another really good knife. So, okay, those are my top 10 folding knives. I don't have very many fixed blades. I have like 2 fixed blade knives currently that I hope to do a review on soon. But as I carry folding knives, and I mean, where I live, you can carry a fixed blade, but, you know, people are just, he has a knife, you know, freak out. You know, and, I mean, there are some that you can conceal rather easily, but, to me, that defeats the purpose. I would mainly carry one, for self-defense, and I would like to have, you know, easy access to it. So, but as it is, you know, I'm good with a folding knife for now. Some of these are great as far as being close to fixed blade strength, such as the Code 4. The access locking knives are pretty, you know, they're pretty close. They're up there. I think the Code 4 is probably the strongest out of any on the table, and then like the Adamas would probably come in second, and maybe the Tomcat. And then after that, you know, the Griptilian and Barrage would probably be next. But, you know, so, I mean, if you can't carry a fixed blade, I'd say get something that has a triad lock, such as the Cold Steel knives, which the triad lock is exclusive to them, and it's fantastically strong lock. Now, the access lock is pretty strong too. And supposedly the arc lock is really strong as well, but so far in my experience it hasn't failed me, but I haven't used my Tomcat super heavily, so... But I know the access lock and the triad lock are definitely, you know, strong performers. But yeah, these are my top 10 that I highly recommend. If you're a knife collector, you should have these, especially, you know, the Ontario Rat 1, the Spyderco Tenacious, the Benchmade Griptilian, and the Kershaw Blur are like, you know, those are the ones that you're supposed to have if you're a knife collector. So yeah, that's my top 10. Thank you for watching, and God bless.